Where to find the best sites. Banking and financial careers. Hello. You want more information about descriptions of a pileated woodpecker and an ivory-billed woodpecker? These are the best resources we could find on the web. Our top-ranked site to learn about descriptions of a pileated woodpecker and an ivory-billed woodpecker is en.wikipedia.org. Specifically the page titled Pileated Woodpecker, Wikipedia, the free encyclopedia. This is the link. You can also try www.birdweb.org, especially the page Pileated Woodpecker, BirdWeb. Here's the link. Last but not least, try our third-ranked site www.50birds.com. The web page Ivory-Billed Woodpecker and Pileated Woodpecker. This is the link.